Okay, the electric is hooked up. There's another one right behind the microwave. So the kitchen's the original one. Let's go downstairs. I hope we'll be able to see very good. But what they did was they looped up. Maybe that's too dark. Well, maybe not. They looped up into the one outlet, came back down, went over, and looped back up for the others. So I changed the wiring, so we have a yellow wire going up there. Over, we have a junction box right in here. That goes up, that feeds both lines. And then the main line goes over to the panel. It turns out it's the box, I need to remember, it's Square D Home Edition or something like that. So I did end up getting the correct breakers, and all the wires are run up through there. I had to drill several more holes over there, but it's all nicely up in there and hooked in, and it's working. So that's the electric for the kitchen, the main outlets. I did not get the other two posts in, but I've been jacking up, so maybe next time I'll be able to get this post in, maybe jack up some more and get the other one in, and that'll be great to get 6 in place. We have 4 now, but if we can get another 2, that'll be great. I did do some painting. Did not work on the overhang. I need to work on that next time. Did get the siding off so we can at least tackle the overhang on the one part. Okay, we'll go out there next and I'll videotape a little bit around that.